Good morning, guys. This is episode 3. Today is my rest day. And I actually get a little bit of carbs today. And we are 18 days out. But I'm still going to be taking you guys around and showing you what I normally do on a rest day. Like I said, I'm going to be tagging you guys along. And Amaya will be with me. Manny will be with me. And we're just gonna enjoy the day. I got my breakfast going right now. That's on the stove. I'm finna get that out, eat it, and then we're gonna start from there, get all cleaned up, and hit the road, man. Yeah. Peace out. All right, finally got all cleaned up. Eating my second meal. I get carbs today. 120 grams of carbs and 6.5 ounces of ground turkey. What's up, Manny? You on episode 3, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, you getting shy? Oh, okay. I chopped that part out. Scary. Chop that part out. Nah, I'm keeping it. That good?
Happy week.
What's up, Manny? All right, Bob.
Bye, Bob.
Anyway,
What's up?
we're gonna head to Medford, and I gotta pick out some scrubs for school. I'll be starting dental school next month. I'll tune back in with you guys when I get there and show you what I get. All right. So what's up, Amaya? Hey. All right, just got the scrub hub. Amaya's passed out. Wake up, girl. Manny was sleeping too. You sleep?
Yeah.
It's time to wake up now. I'm not sure how much I can record in the store. I don't know how they like it or what their policy is, but I'll try to get a little bit at least show you guys what I got. But let's go check it out. Alright, guys. God, it's bright. Got some scrubs. I gotta get them ordered, so I gotta come back and pick them up, hopefully. Now we're on our way back to Grants Pass, and probably gonna go home and play some Madden. We at GNC. I'm back. Do you miss me? So my coach gave me the okay to eat a Quest bar. So that's why I'm here. I know it sounds so sad, but I'm so excited for it.
I used to sneak 1 bars like the last 2 weeks of my competition.
I wish. Now the hard part is deciding which one I want. Good. I might just get a Quest cookie. I don't even care at this point. Cinnamon roll. Rocky Road. That might be the winner, guys. The one brand and Quest is pretty much identical, huh?
Yeah, I honestly think that the one has better texture.
It's so hard to freaking remember to record and update. Make a long story short, I ended up getting the blueberry muffin Quest bar. I'll give you a little update. I checked in with my coach, and he gave me the okay to have a Quest bar. with my 5th meal, and I'm so excited. This means everything to me right now. So, anyways, we're gonna keep the day going. And go home and eat. It's about that time. All right, just got back home. I'm about to eat my 3rd meal. Just gonna make a shake out of this. This is s'mores flavored. So good. Highly recommend it. I picked it up yesterday from GNC, and I've been in love. Love it. Feels good to sit down and relax. It's a hot day and have something good. It is insane how good this is. So what's up, YouTube?
Okay. What's up, YouTube?
Alright, anyway, I'm finna play Madden. And then check back in with y'all later. Enjoy the time.
That's fielded in the end zone. And all that work, but he's
21-0. 2 seconds left in the half.
I'll be the cheater.
Alright, I picked up someone's dog. I'm just kidding. That's my dog, Xena. Riding with us today. They just got some food, some good food. Now what we're gonna do is head over to the car wash. Alright, y'all ready for this? Xena, you ready? Xena, you ready? Yeah, she ready. She ready. Let's do it. Back in the house. I just had meal number 5, and like I said, my coach said I can have a Quest bar. What I did is put it in the microwave, and it is delicious. I'm gonna enjoy this, relax a little bit, and then I'll have to go train a client here in a little bit. So I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Distracted me from my last vlog. Getting warmed up. Speed day. Did I kill him or what? What type of workout are you feeling today? Explosive. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay, just finished training JJ. Now I'm back home. Yeah, that's what I did on my rest day. Normally, this is not a normal rest day for me. I just had a bunch of stuff to do. Like I said, normally I try to get stuff done. Like cut the grass or all the other boring stuff I don't feel like doing. But other than that, I normally like stretch or do like some abs and practice my posing, but I didn't do any of that today. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. I'm gonna go in, do my abs, hit a couple poses, and then work on my vacuum, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna go to bed. That's what I'm gonna do. That was my off day. I'll show you guys what I do on peak week, what the meal plan's like for then. It's a little bit different. And then the show day, of course. You know, that's what we're waiting for. But yeah, man, episode 3. We